This is where most people get it wrong. They're probably not going to buy anything from you or sign up for anything. If you can't adapt it to your industry, don't post it.
All right, so we're going to talk about how to use meme marketing to grow faster. So first, let's define what meme marketing is. So Neil, how would you define a meme? What's your favorite meme? You have to define it and tell us your favorite meme.
I'm going to actually just Google this. I don't know how to define a meme, but a meme definition, I'm Googling. An image, a video, a piece of text, typically humorous in nature, that is copied and spread rapidly by internet users, often with slight variations. So my favorite meme that I saw recently is a picture of a Thai restaurant and it's closed, and the meme said, strong SEO game. Like the Thai restaurant's closed altogether, like it's out of business, and it says strong SEO game. A little bit nerdy, but for us or people listening to this podcast, they probably will find it amusing.
Look at this one over here. So I got 3,500 likes and then 260,000 impressions just posting this meme over here. And that was the one where I kind of just found something that I liked and it ended up going well.
But here's the key to growing faster using memes. This is where most people get it wrong. With your social channels, where you're going to end up thinking, oh, if I post these memes, I'm not going to get any revenue. I'm not going to generate any customers. And that's true. Directly, you will not. The people that watch and share the memes or look at the memes, depending if it's a video or an image, and share it, those people right then and there from that meme, they're probably not going to buy anything from you or sign up for anything. But here's the kicker. The more memes you post that are related to your industry, so you just can't post random memes. The memes have to be related to your industry. And when you do that and you start building up your follower account, then when you post your normal content, it'll get more engagement than it did previously because you have more followers. And then a small percentage of them, a really, really small percentage of them will convert into buyers, customers. And as you keep doing this over time, that small percentage, because you're posting frequently, really starts adding up. But that's the key. You post memes to blow up your account. You also post majority of the time your normal content, and your normal content is what helps you build relationships with those new followers and then starts converting some of them into customers.
Actually, Elon's a good example of this. He uses memes quite a bit. And he said in the past that he is a meme dealer because meme is popular culture. You're leveraging popular culture. People tend to resonate with that more.
Just be careful, though, when you're using these memes and jabbing away. The memes need to be super, super highly relevant to your industry. And I know I already mentioned that once, but the reason I'm mentioning it again and again is if you start posting random memes, even if they start going viral, you'll start getting followers that won't engage with your normal content, and it can actually screw up your page over time, and it can hurt you in the long run. So don't get too greedy with meme marketing. Just because something's really cool, if you can't adapt it to your industry, don't post it.
By the way, if you're really good at business and marketing memes, you can reach out to myself. Hit me up at Ericosu on Twitter or Instagram. And Neil and I are always looking for good meme dealers because that's one thing that we think we can level up at. Don't forget to rate, review, and subscribe. And don't forget to subscribe on YouTube, and we will talk to you later.
Now, if you have any questions, leave a comment below. I'm here to answer them and help you out. If you enjoyed the video, like it, share it, tell people about it. Thank you very much.